Kitchen exhaust fans collect grease and dust over time, which can reduce their efficiency. If your exhaust fan looks dirty or smells greasy, it may be time for a proper cleaning. Cleaning your kitchen exhaust fan regularly helps maintain better airflow. It also keeps your kitchen healthier and prevents grease buildup. Start by gathering basic cleaning supplies like gloves, a sponge, and dish soap. Make sure you also have a bucket of warm water ready. Before cleaning, always turn off the exhaust fan and power supply. This helps prevent accidents while working on the fan. Next, carefully remove the exhaust fan cover or grill. Place the removed cover on the kitchen counter for cleaning. You will likely notice grease and dust buildup on the cover. Fill a bucket with warm water to help dissolve the grease. Add dish soap or a degreasing cleaner to the water. Mix the solution so it can break down the grease easily. Place the fan cover into the cleaning solution. Let it soak for a few minutes to loosen stubborn grease. Now use a sponge to scrub the cover gently. Focus on the areas where grease buildup is heavier. For small corners, a brush can help remove trapped dirt. After scrubbing, rinse the cover with clean water. Make sure all soap and grease residue is washed away. Use a clean cloth to dry the fan cover completely. Next, check the fan blades inside the exhaust fan. Grease often collects on these blades as well. Use a damp cloth to gently wipe the fan blades. If grease is stubborn, apply a small amount of degreaser. Scrub lightly until the grease begins to disappear. Be careful not to let water enter the motor area. Use a dry brush or cloth around the motor if needed. Removing dust around the motor helps improve performance. Now wipe the frame and edges of the exhaust fan. Grease can also collect around the outer frame. Clean these surfaces thoroughly with a sponge or cloth. Once everything is clean, dry all parts completely. This prevents moisture damage to the fan. Now reattach the fan cover to the exhaust fan. Secure the cover using the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover is properly aligned. Once installed, turn the fan power back on. Test the exhaust fan to confirm it is working smoothly. You should notice better airflow immediately. A clean fan also helps remove smoke and odors faster.
The fresh air makes cooking so much more enjoyable.
Clean your exhaust fan every few months. Regular maintenance keeps your kitchen cleaner and safer. Now your kitchen exhaust fan is clean and working efficiently.